What's going on? I'm with Chyna and Bethley right here, one of the top female marketers in the network marketing industry, and we're just lucky enough to get a chance to get some tips from her. So Chyna, I want you to just pretty much drop like the chairman tip. Like if you could give one of the best tips you can to an up and coming entrepreneur, up and coming networker, what would you tell them that you are like almost, you can't guarantee anything, but you guarantee it to put them on the right track of going chairman?
For number one, you got to really get started when you get started. I think sometimes we believe that when we invest that measly $217 that we've actually made an investment. That's just the initiation, if you will. We give you an opportunity to partner with us and we make it affordable for an affordable rate, but you haven't actually paid the cost. That's just the price. The price to get involved is $195 before your taxes. Right. But the cost is going to require some dedication. It's going to require some commitment. It's going to require some relationships to expire that are no longer pouring into you. Why? Because your conversation is going to change. Your vision is going to become expanded. And so some of the people in your association is actually going to hinder that. Right. And so your comfort zone sometimes keeps you kind of complacent because that's my girl, that's my boy. But when you're rising to a higher level, a higher height, and you're going to another dimension, then you got to really be prepared to transform. And so I would say be committed to your goal, be committed to your vision, be committed to the desire that God has put inside of your heart to live your life without any limits. And a lot of times the people in our circles, when we first get started, they don't understand the vision that God gave us. And even though they may not mean any harm, they're detrimental to our success. And so I would highly recommend that you stay in the circumference, meaning that the people that you spend the most time on the phone with, the people that you spend the most time connecting with on social media, the people that you spend the most physical time with, they need to be going in the direction that you want to go in. And if that's not the case, you need to change your association quickly because it's going to determine your outcome.
Wow. Those are straight nuggets, guys. You heard it right there. Sometimes you got to pay the cost to be the boss, right? Sometimes you got to take a loss, and we're not talking about in your business. Sometimes you got to lose those you're closest with to go to the next level. Those were definitely some gems, guys, of six-figure gems, something that you can't really read. That's from putting in work, putting in groundwork, and understanding what it really takes to hit that level. So I appreciate it, Chyna. She's killing the business. Definitely somebody you want to follow, connect with. Definitely someone you want to learn from, be mentored by, guys. We're building this thing to the top, and we're looking for anybody hungry, motivated, praying, wishing, dreaming, hoping for an opportunity. So if this is your opportunity, let's link up, let's work, let's go.